Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the fairy hair combos in Dress to Impress. So in this tutorial, we are diving into the dreamiest fairy inspired updos that will have your avatar looking straight out of an enchanted forest. So this is the fairy hair updo that I created, and let me show you how you can recreate this one. So first, just go to the updo category in here on the hairstyle. Use this hair and toggle it into only bangs. And I'm using this blonde color. And then scroll down and use this hair. Toggle it into, just leave it as it is. And then use the same color. And this updo in here, and lastly this one, and toggle it into no bangs, and that's it. Now your fairy hair is done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.